Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of my deep clean and organizing video. If you missed part 1, I will have it linked in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. In part 1, I deep cleaned and organized my pantry, which was a full disaster. And today in part 2, I'm deep cleaning and organizing my cabinets and drawers, so stay tuned for some cleaning motivation and just a fun video to get ideas on ways you can improve your cabinets and drawers. This drawer has always been a mess. Ever since we moved in 5 years ago, I can never find anything, and the end product is a night and day difference. I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. Not much is going to change in my pots and pans drawers, but I will give it a good wipe down and put down some contact paper. Why I thought this mix of things would ever stay organized, I have no clue. Since when do Ziploc bags, foil, baking pans, all of that, since when does it go with each other? I decluttered, cleaned, and organized, and the functionality of it is so much better. My silverware drawer just needed a couple extra places to organize random odds and ends, and now it works great. I am a hoarder of cleaning products. I can't help it. Even though I didn't declutter them too much, at least it's all clean and organized now. This is bad. Really bad. This is the cabinet that random things got put in way too often. Medicine, gum, nail polish, ribbon, duct tape, flashlights, glue, and way more than I want to even mention were stuffed in here. I cleaned it out, wiped it down, and got it all organized, and I think I got it to where it will actually stay organized too. Now this is my junk drawer. It could be worse, but there's definitely room for improvement here. So now it's time to declutter, clean, and organize. Now for cabinet number 3, full of junk that doesn't need to be there. My plan is to make this just for coffee on one side and paper plates and plastic utensils on the other. I'm not going to be moving around my plates too much, just a good wipe down and some contact paper is all this cabinet really needed. This is another cabinet that was in dire need of a declutter. There's just too much stuff in here and it's hard to keep it all organized. Now, if that's not a true statement, I don't know what is. This was honestly so easy to do. It just took a little bit of time. I don't know why I didn't do it sooner. It was super inexpensive as well. I got all the organizing containers from either Target or Dollar Tree, and they all worked really well together. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and got some good cleaning motivation from it. Don't forget to check out part 1 if you have not already. I'll have it linked below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. You don't want to miss out on all the future Vlogmas videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.